Hello and welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to separate the audio from the video and how to combine them again. Now we will add a video to the timeline. Right click, we go to import, then we locate the file. Here it is, now we add it to the timeline. As you see, it's a video. Now to separate the audio from the video, right click on the video, then we go to unlink. And here we are, the video is on its own and so is the audio. We click on each file and then we click on delete from the keyboard to delete it. That is if we want to delete any of them. And you can click Ctrl Z from the keyboard to return it. Now to combine the audio and the video again. It's very simple. All we do is that we select the both of them. We select both files, right click, and we select nest, and we name it whatever we want, then we click OK. And here we are, there, one file. Right click, we go to unlink to separate the audio from the video. And right click, we go to nest to combine them again. So that would be all for this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.